The marvels of cucumber. Cucumbers, frequently underestimated as mere salad components, boast a multitude of health advantages, among which their significant positive influence on kidney health stands out. Abundant in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and hydrating properties, cucumbers have rightfully earned recognition as a mystical elixir promoting optimal kidney function. This video delves into the diverse components of cucumbers that play a role in supporting kidney health, shedding light on how integrating this unassuming vegetable into your diet can have remarkable benefits for your renal well-being. Hydration powerhouse. One of the primary reasons cucumbers are considered a kidney-friendly food is their impressive water content. With about 95% water, cucumbers are a hydrating snack that aids in flushing out toxins and waste products from the kidneys. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining optimal kidney function, as it ensures a sufficient flow of urine to carry away waste materials. Low in potassium. For individuals with kidney issues, managing potassium intake is essential. Excessive potassium levels can strain the kidneys, leading to complications. Cucumbers, being naturally low in potassium, provide a safe and delicious option for those looking to regulate their potassium consumption while still enjoying a nutrient-rich food. Rich in antioxidants. Cucumbers are a rich source of antioxidants, including beta-carotene, flavonoids, tannins, and triterpenes. These antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress in the body. By doing so, cucumbers contribute to protecting the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress, ultimately supporting overall renal health. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is often associated with kidney diseases. Cucumbers contain compounds like cucurbitacins, which exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, potentially lowering the risk of kidney-related issues. Blood pressure regulation. High blood pressure is a common risk factor for kidney disease. Cucumbers contain minerals like potassium and magnesium, both of which are known to contribute to the regulation of blood pressure. By maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, cucumbers indirectly support kidney function and reduce the risk of hypertension-related kidney damage. Detoxification assistance. Cucumbers act as a natural diuretic, promoting urine production and aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. This diuretic effect supports the kidneys in their detoxification process, preventing the accumulation of harmful substances that could potentially harm renal tissues. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet. Now that we understand the various ways cucumbers benefit kidney health, it's crucial to explore creative ways to incorporate this versatile vegetable into your diet. Consider the following suggestions. Refreshing cucumber salad. Combine cucumbers with tomatoes, red onion, feta cheese, and a light vinaigrette for a refreshing salad that can be a wholesome meal or a side dish. Cucumber smoothies. Blend cucumbers with other kidney-friendly fruits like berries and watermelon for a hydrating and nutritious smoothie. Cucumber-infused water. Add cucumber slices to your water for a subtle flavor that encourages hydration throughout the day. Cucumber salsa. Create a kidney-friendly salsa with cucumbers, tomatoes, cilantro, and lime juice to enjoy with whole grain chips, or as a topping for grilled proteins. Cucumber and mint detox water. Create a refreshing detox water by combining cucumber slices with mint leaves. This not only adds a burst of flavor but also enhances the detoxifying properties, making it an excellent choice for cleansing the kidneys. Cucumber and yogurt dip. Mix finely chopped cucumbers with yogurt, garlic, and dill to create a kidney-friendly dip. This not only provides a tasty snack but also introduces probiotics, which can contribute to gut health, indirectly benefiting kidney function. Grilled cucumber skewers. Surprise your taste buds by grilling cucumber slices on skewers. This method enhances the natural sweetness of cucumbers and provides a unique twist to your usual vegetable repertoire. Cucumber ginger juice. Blend cucumbers with a hint of ginger for a zesty juice. Ginger adds an extra layer of anti-inflammatory properties, making this beverage not only hydrating, but also a potential ally in reducing kidney inflammation. Cucumber wraps. Use cucumber slices as an alternative to tortillas in wraps. Fill them with lean proteins, fresh vegetables, and a kidney-friendly dressing for a light and satisfying meal. Cucumber and avocado salad. Combine cucumbers with creamy avocado, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil for a nutrient-dense salad that is not only delicious but also rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. Remember to embrace variety in your cucumber-based dishes to ensure a well-rounded intake of nutrients. While cucumbers are a fantastic addition to a kidney-friendly diet, maintaining overall health involves a balanced and diverse approach to nutrition. In conclusion, the cucumber's reputation as a magical elixir for kidney health is well-founded. Its hydrating nature, low potassium content, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties make it an exceptional choice for those seeking to support their kidneys naturally. As with any dietary changes, moderation is key, and individuals with existing kidney conditions should consult their healthcare providers to tailor their diet to their specific needs. By incorporating cucumbers into your meals in creative and delicious ways, you not only enhance the flavor of your dishes but also contribute to the long-term health and vitality of your kidneys. So, embrace the magic of cucumbers and savor the benefits they bring to your overall well-being. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet can be a delightful and effective way to support kidney health. With their hydrating properties, low potassium content, antioxidant-rich profile, and anti-inflammatory characteristics, cucumbers truly deserve the title of a magical elixir for kidney well-being. As with any dietary changes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist, especially for individuals with existing kidney conditions, to ensure that cucumber consumption aligns with their specific health needs.